Kia ora koutou. Welcome to this recording of the Library Workshop Finding Books and Articles. We are going to look at academic information with a focus on features of academic articles, to practice finding articles or books in the library, and we'll show two models for evaluating information sources for credibility and relevance. Academic information is used at university and in research. It is considered reliable and accurate, has expert authors, and is relevant both in terms of the content and the time it was published. An academic journal article is a type of academic information that has been written by academics or researchers and peer-reviewed by experts before being published. This slide shows the first page of a typical academic journal article. You can see the journal title, the article title, authors and their research affiliations, dates and abstract and keywords. I want to highlight the abstract because it's very useful. Between this and the title, you can get a very good idea of what is in the article. This is helpful when assessing if an article is relevant to your topic. This is a primary research article. You can tell because in the abstract it mentions it is a study and has participants. It is an article where the authors are describing and reporting on their own research. If we flick through this article, we can see it is divided into several sections. Introduction, a methods section, results and discussion, a conclusion, and references. Each section or part of an article has a function as shown on this table. Knowing this helps to easily find the part you need when reading. For example, if you wanted to know how the researchers carried out their study, you would go to the methods section. If you wanted to know what literature researchers consulted for background research, you would go to the literature review or introduction section. The library website is a good place to search for academic information, and it is free for you to use. The search sections are on the left side of the website. We'll look at library search today because it is a broad general search. Books and media will not find articles. It finds whole journals or books, but not chapters or articles within them. AUT Google Scholar will also find articles and a range of academic information. Library search uses keyword searching. There is no point putting your whole topic question into the search box because you'll get too many irrelevant results. So before searching on a topic, it's necessary to plan. First, identify the main keywords or concepts in your topic statement. Then identify related terms for each main keyword or set of keywords. This can be helpful for uncovering articles that express the topic using different words. Next, identify phrases in your keyword sets. These are words you want the system to search together, such as food choices or young adults. Put double quotation marks around phrases. Truncation is a technique that uses a symbol, in library search it is an asterisk, to tell the system to search for all words beginning with the base word. For example, teen asterisks will find teen, teens, teenage, teenager, etc. Now choose a word for each main concept. Put them into the library search box. Click Search. The first result window is called Combined Results. Here you can also see if AUT Library has any books or videos on your topic. To view all the articles we have, select See All Results. You can see that there are many articles on this topic. This is too large a set to look through, so we will refine this using the limits on the left of the screen. You can refine to get results from peer-reviewed journals only, and you can refine by date. At the top of your results section, you can select topics within your search. First, click Combine with OR, and then select all topics that you think might be helpful. The other way to focus your search is to open Advanced Search and split your key concepts up so that they are on separate lines joined by AND. Next, add synonyms for words on each line with OR between them. Then change the search field so the search engine just looks within the abstracts of articles. If you get very few or no results, edit the advanced search. by removing some keywords and reopen the search fields to all fields. Once you have an article that looks useful, click on the title to read the abstract. To read the whole article, click the links at the right-hand side in this window, or if you want to read it later, email it to yourself. You can also save articles to a list so that you can keep searching and review them all at the end of your searching session. To find your list, go to Your Account and scroll to Your Lists. Favorites is the default list. From here you can see your saved articles. Once you have found some articles, evaluate them to see if they are credible and relevant to your topic. TRAP and the 5 Ws are two useful models for evaluating information. You can use either of these models to check the credibility of any information source such as a website, as well as articles. The 5 Ws are one way to check your sources. Who wrote the article? Are they experts? When was the article written? Is it up to date? What is the article about? Is it relevant? Where was the article published? Is it from a peer-reviewed journal? Why was it written? Is it academic? Look at the first page of the article to get most of this information. Incidentally, the 5 Ws will help you build a reference. See here: who, when, what, and where. TRAP is another useful evaluating model. It checks timeliness, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. If your article is up to date, on topic, by expert authors, has correct and verifiable information, and is a primary research article, it will pass the TRAP test. You can look at the first page of the article to get most of this information. Finally, if you need help at any time, you can get it from the library website. Use library chat, watch a video, or read a guide, or contact your liaison librarian. All the best with your studies.